Dora the Explorer, Dora's Snowy Forest Adventure. Hi, I am Dora. I am going to read a story. Do you like books? Me too. Once upon a time, there was a snow princess who lived in a magic snowy forest. "Look, Dora," says Boots. "Someone is trying to get out of your book." "Hi, my name is Snow Fairy. I need to find the Snow Princess and save the magic snowy forest." A witch waved her magic wand and locked the Snow Princess in a tower. With the Snow Princess gone, the magic snowy forest is starting to melt. Then Snow Fairy adds, "If the Snow Princess smiles into a magic crystal, it will start to snow again. Boots and I will help save the Snow Princess. Who do we ask for help when we don't know where to go?" "Yeah, Map. Map says we need to go across the icy ocean, past the snowy hills, and through the dark cave. The pirate piggies will take us across the icy ocean in their pirate ship. Watch out for the sea snake." We made it. Now we need to find a way down the snowy hills. "Look, maybe that girl can help us," says Boots. "Hi, my name is Paj. I can take you to the dark cave. Jump on my dog sled." "Thanks, Paj. That was great. Now I see the dark cave. Come on." We made it through the dark cave. Look, I see the tower. Hooray, we made it to the tower. I see the witch. We need to hurry. We found the Snow Princess, but the witch cast a spell on her. She cannot smile. Maybe if we all smile into the magic crystal, we can break the spell. Smile with us. 1, 2, 3, smile. Yay, we did it. The Snow Princess is free. The magic snowy forest is saved. Thank you for helping us smile into the magic crystal. We broke the spell. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share, and follow me on Instagram and Twitter. And for more Dora the Explorer stories, check out my Dora the Explorer playlist. And if you enjoyed this story, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Thank you. See you next time.